In 2025, you don't need to be paying for CapCut. That's why in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit videos in CapCut Pro 100% free. After watching this video, you're gonna be able to use all the CapCut Pro features 100% free. I'm talking cool stickers, fancy fonts, cool transitions, and many more 100% free. Let's get started. Before we get started, if you end up liking this video, make sure you leave a comment and subscribe. Let's go. The first thing that you need to do is to download the latest version of CapCut Pro. Go to the CapCut Pro website and download the very latest version of CapCut Pro. Go ahead and install your CapCut. Once you install, click on Get Started and you're gonna land on this homepage. Once you're on this homepage, do not rush to get started in video editing. First, you need to change your settings. Click on this icon on the top right corner and go to settings. In the under settings, go to where there is project. In the under project, let me draw your attention to this section where there is save to. Change the save to location to a memorable folder. In my case, I save to Betha&Ai. Once you do this, you can go back to the home page and you can get started with a new project. Once you click on new project, go ahead and start editing your video. You can use as many pro features as you want. In my case, I ended up using a lot of transitions. I ended up using some figures and many more. Once you're done editing your video, do not go straight to export. Just for the sake of illustration, let's click on export. And once you click on export, CapCut is going to show you all the procedures that you have used. This is not what we want. You are not going to be able to export this video if you use this lab. Go back to your timeline and highlight everything. Or you can place Control A to highlight everything. Once everything is highlighted, you're gonna left click and you're gonna click on convert to compound clip. Once you have converted to compound clip, you need to left click again and you click on pre-process. So what is going to happen is CapCut is going to pre-process your video and it's going to save it to a drop submit. So wait for CapCut to do its thing. Once it's done, what you're going to do is you're going to go where you saved your video. Remember, we're changing the settings to a folder that you'll be able to remember. So go back to that folder and look for CapCut draft. My folder was Betha&Ai. Inside Betha&Ai, there is CapCut draft, and under that folder, click on CapCut Draft. And under CapCut Draft, click on Resources. And under Resources, click on Combination. And under Combination, you're going to see two videos. The first video is the latest video that you need. So you're gonna copy that video to any other folder. This video contains all the elements of CapCut Pro that you use in the timeline. Let's take a look.
When he sat on his prison bed, he remembered when it all started. It was a beautiful sunny day when he decided to spy the Bank of America. He disguised himself as a cleaner at the bank. The next morning, he came with 4 friends in ski masks to rob the bank with drones.